Psalm 118, verse 27. The Lord is God, and He has given us light. Bind the sacrifice with cords to the horns of the altar. This verse declares two powerful truths. God gives light, and worship requires surrender. First, the Lord is God, and He has given us light. When life feels confusing or dark, it is God who brings clarity, direction, and hope. His presence illuminates our path and reminds us that we are not walking blindly. Then comes the call to commitment. Bind the sacrifice to the altar. In biblical times, a sacrifice was fully given, set apart for God alone. God has given us light through His Word, His Spirit, and His Son. The natural response to His light is surrender. May we live as people who walk in His light and willingly give our whole life to Him.